when I was 27, I painted this self-portrait. So at this point, I've painted and drawn myself quite a bit. And I developed this distinct feeling that the problem of painting a self-portrait feels like a trap. Because can you ever see yourself objectively? I was very good at having people sit for me and capturing a likeness and all this sort of thing. So I had something to compare it to, right? I painted for models and had portrait commissions and all this, even, at this stage in my life. But when I actually sat down and tried to paint myself, I kept finding all these errors, all these pitfalls, all these problems. And I began to wonder, what's going on here? And I realized that I had the skills as an artist, but it was a psychological trap. And so I painted myself just, looking rather confident and kind of happy about the whole ordeal, in order to contrast that with a reflection of myself and the true experience of painting a self-portrait. Yes, not so comfortable, not so confident, and definitely suffering a little bit about the whole prospect of trying to paint oneself. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little glare on my glasses there, but if it weren't there, you could see that eyeball looking down into the mirror, just as, I'm in the throes, if you will, of trying to do this anguish-inducing kind of painting.